Let's proceed to MCQ number 12. If a plant's roots are damaged by drought, which process will be affected first? Letter A, photosynthesis. B, pollination. C, seed dispersal. D, flowering. MCQ number 13. Which part of a fish maintains buoyancy in water? Letter A, fins. Letter B, scales. Letter C, swim bladder. D, heels. MCQ number 14. When observing a bee landing on a sunflower, what role does the bee play? A, seed disposal. C, dispersal. Letter B, pollinator. Letter C, photosynthesizer. Letter D, decomposer. MCQ number 15. In a fish, which two systems work closely together during swimming? Letter A, digestive and reproductive. Letter B, muscular and circulatory. Letter C, nervous and reproductive. Letter D, skeletal and digestive. MCQ number 16. A photograph shows a sunflower turning toward the sun, heliotropism. Which plant hormones controls this movement? Letter A, auxin. Letter B, insulin. Letter D, C, adrenaline. Letter D, chlorophyll. MCQ number 17. In animals, which system coordinates body responses to the environment? Letter A, nervous system. Letter B, circulatory system. Letter C, digestive system. Letter D, muscular system. MCQ number 18. In a plant, which part prevents wilting by transporting water to the leaves? Letter A, roots. Letter B, stem. Letter C, flower. Letter D, seed. MCQ number 19. Which body system in fish ensures continuous oxygen supply to muscles during swimming? Letter A, skeletal. Letter B, nervous. Letter C, circulatory. Letter D, digestive. MCQ number 20. A video shows a seedling developing leaves. Why are leaves important for the plant's survival? A, they attract pollinators. Letter B, they store water. Letter C, they produce food through photosynthesis. Letter D, they anchor the plant in the soil. the answer key for our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson 1, Life as a System, Understanding How Plants and Animals Function through Interrelated Parts. Number 1. The correct answer is letter B, stem. Number 2. The correct answer is B, hills. Number 3. The correct answer is letter C, flower. Number 4. The correct answer is letter A, photosynthesis. Number 5. The correct answer is letter C, digestive system. MCQ number 6. The correct answer is letter C, capturing sunlight for photosynthesis. Number 7. The correct answer is letter B, movement and balance. Number 8. The correct answer is letter C, leaves. Number 9. The correct answer is letter D, roots. Number 10. The correct answer is letter A, circulatory system. Number 11. The correct answer is letter D, flower. Number 12. The correct answer is letter A, photosynthesis. Number 13. The correct answer is letter C, swim bladder. Number 14. Letter B is the correct answer, pollinator. Number 15. The correct answer is letter B, muscular and circulatory. Number 16. The correct answer is letter A, oxen. Number 17. The correct answer is letter A, nervous system. Number 18. The correct answer is letter B, stem. Number 19. The correct answer is letter C, circulatory. Number 20. The correct answer is letter C. They produce food through photosynthesis. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye!